Hello guys, what's up? Are you looking for best Tissot watches? Here we found Tissot SeaStar-1000 40mm 50s watch. Main specifications are diameter is 40mm, interchangeable quick release bracelet, 316L stainless steel case, screw down crown and case back. Swiss quartz movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal with double-sided anti-reflective coating. Water resistance up to a pressure of 30 bar. 300 meter or 1000 feet. Thickness is 10. Case options screw down crown and case back. Anti-clockwise rotating bezel mineral bezel ring. Length is 40.00, width is 40.00. Case material 316L stainless steel case. Number of lugs is 20. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal with double sided anti reflective coating. Energy is quartz. Number of joules is 3. Model ETA F06.412. Movement Swiss quartz. Caliber is 11 and 1 by 2. Dial HMHD. Diameter in mm 25.6. Battery type Renault 371. Functions battery end of life indicator. Dial color is blue. Indexes luminous super luminova material on luminescent sapphire crystal material on the hands. Strap color is gray. Strap details stainless steel. Buckle interchangeable quick release bracelet, folding tabs with safety and push buttons. Item weight is 134 gram. Collection T-Sport water resistance up to pressure of 30 bar, 300 meter or 1000 feet.